Sorry,
Show.
mate.
You know, it's a Scottish comedian.
Oh, is it? Chris, my ex was
what's your problem?
Glasgow.
What's your problem? What's your problem?
Chris, are you listening? My daughter's dad, he was Glaswegian, he was from Springburn, right? And I thought he was this really cool guy, and we were together for 22 years till I found out he's a Rangers casual, and he's actually in David Carrick's book. So it was a bit of a eye-opener when he got stabbed in Aberdeen. And I had to go to the hospital. Yeah, I was like, what have I involved myself in?
Aye, but just because you're in a firm doesn't mean say he was bad to you. Was he bad to you?
He was a twat.
Oh, was he? Oh, well, then.
In fact, he's still a twat. My daughter's 25 now, and he's still a twat to her. He's on £40 an hour. Well, he was on £40 an hour when she was like 16, and he used to give her £10 a week. The man's a loser.
Do you know that's the reason why I didn't have any kids, because I wasn't financially stable. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get all that, but he was financially stable. He just wasn't mentally stable.
I hear you, and I hear you.
Oh, Mac, you little wanker.
Mac, you little wanker. That's perfect. What you saying, can you get me?
Get your broken spanner out, you prick.
You really want that spanner? Come get it, big man.
Show everyone your broken spanner. Watch. We'll come on,
like I said, if you want my spanner, come and get it, big man.
I'll hit you with the gun.
The ICF.
You're like Mac, you prick. So
you're a fucking prick, man.
You're a fucking prick, man. Get your broken spanner right, you daft prick.
Nah, mine work, you backward bastard.
Oh, I can't hear him.
Mine's for sticking in people's fucking souls, just like yourself. Like.
Matt,
so shut the up. Matt. Hey,
Shuff's
not
Raver. Shuff's not Dark Raver, mate. Hi, how you doing? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. What you got to say?
Shuff's not a prick, mate. Come on, chase up that, man. Come on.
I came on him being normal. He just called me. He's like, Mac, you prick. Or no, Mac, you wanker.
You're a fucking prick.
You fire in all the time. You steam in, mate. You've got to slow down. I'm just saying.
I think you're a prick. Archie,
you're not even a legend, though, are you? You're really not even a legend.
No, he's a backward bastard.
You're a fucking mad backward rat. You get me? Who the fuck are you? I'm a fucking legend. You get me?
Get back where
I'm the legendary Mac. I'm not legend. I'm the legendary Mac.
The legendary sheep shagging little prick.
Legendary. How many fucking sheep? Archie.
I've got all my teeth. Where they? I've got all my teeth.
How many fucking sheep are in Lincoln, you dafty?
Got all my teeth. Is that like you claim to fame now?
How many? Well, you see that your dog's always on the bed.
Probably how to talk to you, right?
My dog's not your
You fiddle that dog more than
I ask you, what do you want?
Over the phone with my dog when I see your mum every day, Archie. Why would I do that? That's wrong, isn't it? You get me? I fiddle your mum every single day. Every morning, every night. When you're like pretending you're a YouTube gangster. That's what you do.
You wave your spanner around, you little prick, you dog fiddling little wankstein.
What are you going to do about it?
The only place I'm going to wave that spanner is in your direction. It's going to be indented in your skull, you little wrong'un. You get me?
There's no going to be indented in anyone, is there? I'll take your spanner off, yeah? I'll take that spanner off, yeah? Literally poke your head
when I woke up yesterday morning, you were fine. You calmed down. Come on, man. Wait,
Jesus Cyrus, I'm fucking calm. This is me being calm. Archie, you fucking
little fucking prick.
You get me? Carrying on your mouth.
What the fucking hell?
Get off my live now, Archie. You're wrong, man. Get off my live. Don't come back again. You get me?
That's not Archie, it's Shuffling. Come on, correct that, you little backward cunt.
But why you think
Archie Shuffling on your fucking anything goes with Archie Shuffling? So how am I a backwards cunt? You mad backwards rat.
Because there's two people you backward bastard.
Yeah, how did you get a backwards rat? Have you never seen a rat in the middle?
You get me, you weasel clown.
Walk on, you backward bastard.
Mike, you're Mike's fucked, Mac.
Right,
because his dog's slamming him that much when he's been hammering at the fucking weird bastard. Every time he's been on camera, that dog's on the bed.
My dog's absolutely fine, Archie. You dafty. Well, why do you keep bringing my dog into it? Like, I don't always bring your mum into it, do I? Well, fuck it. I'm going to bring Archie's sister into it. She's fucking well fit.
Oh, no, you're
legendary. You do realise his sister's 40.
Your sister's a fucking wrong and £10 to go. Wow. And you keep saying shit about my dog.
I'm not bullying you.
You fucking spasticated little
kick him off.
Don't climb my tree and get me what? Fucking spasticated little Benyon-eyed twat. See,
you're a backward bastard, man. You're a backward bastard.
You mad backwards rat. Do you call him backwards?
You're a fucking adult, man. Why are you saying that about a fucking sisters?
Go pick strawberries and shut your fucking cake off. Cyrus, you know DJ and Archie, fucking suck your fucking sister, little
go die, you bastard. Go die, you bastard.
Die, you bastard. Kick him off. Who the fuck?